Really have no idea how this is gonna turn out, so we'll see. Wish me luck. Seriously? Day 2, paint and assembly, hopefully no hiccups. Day 4, a little bit warmer weather. Today we should be able to finish it up. At least everything but the outer coat of paint. So there it is, our 8-foot tall super loop. But what the heck is it? So our plan is to take a sled down this hill and through the super loop. But our original super loop is 12 foot tall and it's just too big. The sled wasn't getting quite enough speed. So hopefully if we shrink down the loop, we should be able to make it. But because winter's far away, we plan on lining the inside of this with slip and slide material and chucking it down a big hill and seeing what happens. So stay tuned for that video because it should be pretty good. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and we'll see you guys next time.